Hello everyone, welcome to the ocean. Here we can learn the names, sounds, and fun facts of ocean animals. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Great, let's go. Whoa, look at our first animal. It's a clownfish. It looks just like Nemo. Clownfish are actually not very good at swimming. They mostly hide in sea anemone. Clownfish communicate by making popping and clicking noises. Can you make some popping and clicking noises? Isn't that cool? Clownfish are known for their orange and white stripes. They are found in the Indian and Pacific Ocean. Whoa, do you see that animal jumping out of the water? That's a dolphin. Have you ever seen a dolphin before? Dolphins are usually gray, but there are also species of pink dolphins. They look so cool. Dolphins are known for being very smart, and they also like to blow bubbles. That's very funny. Whoa, do you see our next animal? It's a whale. Whales are so big. A whale is as long as 3 school buses lined next to each other. That is very, very long. In fact, the whale is the largest animal ever. Whales are also very loud. They breathe air just like us, and they can hold their breath for 20 minutes. That is a really long time. Aren't whales really, really cool? Our next animal is a crab. Have you ever seen a crab? I know I have. In fact, I even have this little cute crab stuffed animal. Female crabs can release 1,000 to 2,000 crab eggs at a time. That's a lot of eggs. Crabs have 2 claws and they have very hard shells. Crabs are found in oceans all over the world. When a crab's leg falls off, a crab can just grow a new one. That's really cool. And people also can eat them. Have you ever eaten a crab? Whoa, do you see that little star-shaped animal over there? That's actually called a starfish. Just like a crab, if you cut off a starfish's arm, it can grow back. That's really cool. Starfish actually have no brain. There are over 2,000 species of starfish. That's a really big number. Do you think starfish look really cool? I personally think that they look amazing. Whoa, look at our next animal. It's really cool and slimy. It's called a squid. Squids have really long bodies and huge eyes. Scientists estimate that there are about 500 species of squid in the world. Can you write the number 500? Squids have 8 arms, and they have suckers on their tentacles. I think squids are really cool. What do you think? Oh wow, I bet that you have definitely seen this animal before. It's a shark. Sharks have very sharp teeth, and they only eat meat. The coolest fact about a shark is that sharks don't have bones, and they have been around for a really long time, even longer than humans have. Sharks have really cool noses, and they can smell 1 single drop of blood in 1,000,000 drops of water. That's a ginormous number. It's a 1 with 6 zeros behind that. Do you want to try to write it? It would be 1,000,000. That's a big number. Whoa, look at that clam. The clam looks so interesting. A clam has a hard shell, and inside there is a soft and slimy animal. A clam is a type of mollusk, which is a soft-bodied animal. Can you say the word mollusk?
Mollusk.
Great job! Clams live in sand and mud, and because they have no head, legs, or arms, they move around with the ocean waves. Clams have hundreds of super tiny eyes that can detect light. That's really cool. Whoa, that animal looks so flat. It's a stingray. I actually think it also looks really cool. Stingrays are actually a type of fish. Stingrays have a curved mouth and a nose, so it looks like the stingray is smiling at you. Isn't that cute? Stingrays are found in very shallow waters and in temperate seas. The word shallow means not deep. So, if your water is very close to the surface, then your water would be called shallow. Stingrays also don't move around very much. Whoa! Have you ever seen this animal before? Cool! It's called a shrimp. Shrimps are known for their orange and white stripes along their body. There are thousands of species of shrimp around the world. That's a ton of different shrimp. Shrimp are amazing swimmers, and they are eaten all over the world. They are also omnivores, meaning that they eat both meat and vegetables. 1 billion pounds of shrimp are eaten by Americans each year. That's a ginormous number. That is a 1 with 9 zeros behind it. That's crazy. Whoa, look at that animal. It's called a lobster. Lobsters look like bigger version of shrimp, but they taste similar to crab. Lobsters taste with their legs. Isn't that cool? Lobsters also pee out of their faces. That's really funny. Lobsters have very hard shells, and they can be a lot of different colors. Whoa, look at that! It's a sea turtle. I've never seen one of those before. It has a giant shell on its back, and it's green. Turtles live all over the world, and the largest ones weigh over 1,000 pounds. That's crazy. Turtles like to eat jellyfish. Sometimes, turtles mistake plastic bags for jellyfish, which makes them die. That is why you should never litter or throw your trash on the ground. Whoa, look at that fish. It looks very spiky, and it can also blow up like a balloon. Pufferfish lives about 10 years. A pufferfish eats snails, shellfish, crustaceans, and other fish. Pufferfish are poisonous, and they have enough poison to kill 30 humans. That's a lot. They also have teeth that never stop growing, just like a beaver. Do you know what this is? It's a jellyfish. Jellyfish are named jellyfish because they look and move a lot like jelly. Have you ever eaten jelly before? Jellyfish don't have brains, and their arms never get tangled. The coolest thing about jellyfish is that they have been to space. Really? A space station put them on a space experiment and so that what would happen if a jellyfish went to space. Whoa, look at our last animal. It looks really interesting. It's called an octopus. A cool fact about an octopus is that it has 3 hearts. Humans only have 1, so that's really, really cool. Octopuses are very smart, and they can hide under shells and rocks. I've even seen an octopus hide under a coconut shell. Cool, right? Another cool thing is that an octopus has blue blood. This means that it is cold-blooded and its body temperature changes depending on where it is. Humans can change their own body temperature, and we have red blood. Aren't octopuses so cool? Thanks for making it this far. Now that we've learned all about these amazing animals, let's think of some fun questions. Question number 1. What was your favorite animal and why? Pause the video if you want to answer the question. My favorite animal was a crab because I think they look very funny and cool. I also have this really cute crab stuffed animal. What was your favorite fact from the video? Again, you can pause the video if you want to answer the question. My favorite fact is that jellyfish don't have brains. That's really crazy. And now, your last challenge is to subscribe to the channel and press the like button. Do you know how to do that? Great! Thank you so much for doing so.